Hey, we're here with Rick Warden with Outlaw TV. We're here at the Boiler Room. Blase Productions. We're about to have Bristol Pistol from the Vixen's Vaudeville Review interview Circus Della Morte. Let's do it.
First, you should get them in their natural habitat, talking a bunch of shit, acting like retards. And here they are. Oh, like they're trying to...
I know, right? If I was a woman.
Yeah, all right. I'm going to introduce this ragtag little bunch here. First of all, our wielder of sharp objects and our chief masticator. Please put your hands together for Kenny, ladies and gentlemen. All right, folks, and bring out the gimp. Please welcome our music accompanist, Mr. Mike McNasty. Introducing our newest addition to the troupe, the nimble fingers of Mr. Charlie Tips. And it's no mystery who the sex appeal of this group is. The lovely Nurse Narcissa. That one right there. Right there. Yeah. All right. And the man who runs marathons of pain every night, please put your hands together for Mr. Invisible. He has thicker skin than the bottom of your mother-in-law's feet.
I doubt that.
And last but not least, ladies and gentlemen, from the front to the back, I'm the man who likes a little bit of coke with his jack. I am Dr. Scotch. We're gonna get this show kicked off for you. Who's ready to see some crazy stuff? Yeah.
Alright, so we're going to start you, and it's Freddy Fingers, correct?
No, it's Charlie Tips.
Charlie Tips, I'm
Not
sorry.
even slightly similar.
You just want it to be.
I wish it
Fingers.
was.
Freddy
I'm
Fingers,
sorry.
well, yeah. It's, you know.
Okay, so what is it besides you and your great jacket and
It is a
hat,
great-
bowlers here,
Fabulous jacket.
that makes you want to put nails in your nose?
I just thought it was really fun.
Can we get a volunteer from the audience, Kenny, please?
You.
I can volunteer.
Now, we forgot the handcuffs, so please resist the urge to not run away.
Especially while it's in his face.
That's as good as we can do.
This?
Oh, there we go.
Serious? She's like, oh God.
Another nostril. There we go.
Not too far. If it goes in too far, then he can't remember math. Mr. Tips, walk to the front of the stage so everybody can see how far that is in. Everybody can get a good look at that.
What am I doing? What are you putting out?
Now put it in your pocket.
Your tricks for audience.
What makes me want to do my tricks?
To be a performer that you are.
Like, it's what I do for fun anyways, by myself, in like my room when nobody's watching. It's kind of a trip to, you know, do it when other people are watching.
You do it in front of a mirror.
To do it when people are watching it and they're paying. That's like,
There was a lot
wow.
of people that were Watch out for those ladies.
have been cooperating. It's okay. You should have used a condom instead. I told you.
Many years of coke.
That damn septum just gets in the way every time. Come on, folks. Help him out.
For you tonight.
That's kind of a trip.
Good. Is that what you like?
Yeah, no, it's kind of like a mini high. It's like, hey,
So how is it getting things in and out of your nostril?
okay, I had a girl explain it to me because I will teach the blockhead, which is when you put the nail in your face. I had a girl explain it to me. It's like the first time you had sex, like having something inside of you.
Okay.
Apparently for the guy, it's the first time I've had anything inside of me.
I can see that.
Like not necessarily because I questioned it for a while, but whatever, who cares? It's interesting, having a nail in the face. There is a certain high,
An endorphin rush.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
You get from letting a stranger nail something into you. You have a stranger nail you.
When I have a stranger nail me, it's like I've never experienced before, but I have. But it's always a different stranger, so it's always a different experience.
Do you ever feel you need to put a protection on your nail?
No.
You're just pretty good with that.
Because it's my nail, so I already have that protection. So why?
You know where that nail's been.
Yeah, goddamn it, Charlie, you wouldn't take my nail tonight.
Good.
Alright, I think
I use my nail. He offered me a nail. I didn't use
introduce
my own.
yourself to the camera again.
I'm Charlie Tips, the Coney Island Scoundrel. That's not my real name.
No.
Charlie, just the tip. Tips. I have a It says just the tip. Right there.
Hey, how about you pull back this way?
And do you know what?
It's like having a
I love you.
tripod. Let's make it flesh and bone.
He only has 2 legs.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
He has 3.
The nurse.
And moving on to the most beautiful attraction. Not you, Kenny.
Right here.
I thought you
Moving on. Oh, stop it, camera. To the most lovely narcissist. And I'm just gonna touch her so the camera's. Oh, I'm gonna slap her apparently. I like that. Jealous?
Okay.
Jealous? Yeah.
flesh on it.
Yeah, you are. It's okay. Kitty, get away.